Hi there. In today's video, we're going to talk about the benefits of Nordvpn. Nordvpn is a virtual private network service provider that offers numerous benefits to its users. VPN are used to encrypt internet traffic and hide your IP address to keep your online activities private and secure. Here are some of the benefits of using Nordvpn. Let's dive into it. It protects your online privacy by encrypting your internet traffic and hiding your IP address. This prevents your online activities from being tracked and monitored by third parties such as advertisers, internet service providers, and government agencies. They provide a secure connection to the internet, making it an excellent option for people who need to access sensitive information such as bank accounts and email accounts. It also protects your personal information from being intercepted by hackers, cybercriminals, and other malicious actors. Nordvpn allows you to bypass censorship and geo-restrictions, giving you access to websites, apps, and streaming services that are blocked in your location. This makes it an ideal solution for people who travel frequently or live in countries with strict internet censorship laws. They have a strict no-logging policy, which means that the company does not track or log any of your online activities or personal information. This ensures that your online privacy is protected even if the company is subjected to legal requests for user data. Nordvpn offers fast and reliable connections, making it ideal for online activities such as streaming, downloading, and gaming. The company has a large network of servers in numerous countries, which helps ensure that you always have a fast and stable connection. In conclusion, Nordvpn provides users with numerous benefits that help protect their online privacy and security. Whether you are a frequent traveler, work remotely, or simply want to protect your online activities, Nordvpn is an excellent solution that offers reliable, fast, and secure connections. Please leave a comment if you liked the video and see you in the next one.